Hello students, myself Divyansh Tomar, Science Faculty of Mapples Academy. So student, today we will discuss a new and fresh chapter of class 6th, food and its sources. So let's start the topic. First of all, we discuss about the food and nutrition. India being a diverse country has many cultures across the different states. We eat different type of food at different times. We prepare special dishes and sweets during festival. For example, sevais, kheers, a special made dish. On the festival Eid, we have a lot of varieties in the food we eat. People living in different regions of the countries eat different type of food. Most of the states India have some staple food times that are very popular there. For example, dal bhati churma is popular vegetarian dish in Rajasthan, and khandvi is a snacks from Gujarat. The food habit of people also depends on the climate, culture and availability of food in the area they are living. Peoples living in coastal areas eat a lot of a seafood as it is a easily available in these areas. Now, in next, what happen if we do not eat food for an entire day? We start feeling tired and weak by the end of the day. Our body needs food to get nourished and energized. Thus, need for good food in one of the important characteristics of living beings. The process by which our body takes in food and use it for growth and development is called nutrition. Food has some chemical substance are called nutrients. These components of food are needed by our body for maintaining good health. Food essential for living beings. At is that first point is provides nutrient for the growth of our body. Second is provide the energy necessary to carry out various life activities. Third is help in the repair or replacement of worn out cells. Fourth is protect the body from various diseases and keep it fit. Now, second topic is sources of food. Now, do you know that dosa and batter is made up of? It is made of rice and urad dal. The substance which the food is made are called ingredients. Therefore, the rice and urad dal are ingredients of dosa. Idlis are made up of batter of rice, dal and salt. Similarly, vegetarian soup is made from the vegetarian water, salt, oil, spices. It is. We will discuss about a food of plant. Okay. First of all, we discuss about the root. Carrot, radish, beetroot, and turnip are the edible root of the plant. The food is storage in the root. This plant we eat. Carrot, turnip, and beetroot is a root of plant. Now, second is we discuss about the stems. Potato, yam, and ginger are the modified stems that we grow underground. We eat stems. Certain plants such as sugarcane and lotus turmeric in also an underground stem. When we cut, it is bright orange in color. It is dried and powdered before it used to making dishes. This is a sugarcane, ginger, and turmeric. Now, next is leaves. Spanish cabbage, coriander, and fenugreek are the examples of some common edible leaves. Many green leaves vegetable are eaten. This is a fenugreek and this is a coriander. Okay. Now next we discuss about the flowers. We eat cauliflower and broccoli Which are the flower or plant? Saffron of kesar is obtained from the flower of the plant. Okay, clove is a flower bud. It is a dried and used in a species spice in some dishes. This is a broccoli, this is a cauliflower, and this is a cloves. Now next is a fruit. We eat fruit such as mangoes, papayas, and oranges. Fruits are often sweet, juicy, and fleshy. Tomato, cucumber, green chilies, or capsicum are the some fruits which we eat in the vegetable. This is a papaya, this is a orange, and this is a mango. Now next is seeds. The seeds of many plants eaten as food. Pulse that we eaten are also seeds of plant spice such as the cumin seed, fennel, and coriander. Also, this is a fennel and this is a pulse. Okay, students. Now next we discuss about the animals. Okay, based on food, animals have a three type. First is herbivore, second is carnivore, third is omnivore. Okay, now we discuss about the one by one. First is herbivore, a plant or animal that eats plant only. Okay, these animals is called herbivore, like squirrel, deer, giraffe is a herbivore. Second is carnivore, a plant or animal that eats animals only, like fox, crocodile, fish is a carnivores. Third is omnivore, a plant or animal eats both plant and animals. Okay, this is called omnivores, like hen, bear, and dog is all of a omnivore. Okay, let's start the topic. Living organism depends on one another for food. A food chain represent this food dependence of organism in a natural environment. It tell us who eats whom. For example, grass is eaten by the deer and deer is eaten by the lion. Second is grass is eaten by the grasshopper and grasshopper is eaten by the lizard. Lizard is lizard by eagle and eagle is eaten by fox. Now, an organism that the first level of food chain is always a producer, like grass. The next is in the sequence is a herbivore, is called primary consumer. The primary consumer is followed by carnivorous as secondary consumer, and territory consumers, scavengers such as vulture and fox are also part of the food chain. So student, food chain is invented by the Charles Ilton. Okay, now this is a food chain. This is a grass, this is a producer, this is a grasshopper is primary consumer, this is a frog is secondary consumer, and this is a snake is territory consumer. Okay, mainly food chain exists in nature. An organism may be a part of more than one food chains. This creates an interconnection between different food chains. A network of such interconnected food chain is called a food web. These arrows in the food chain represent the transfer of energy one organism to another. So students, this arrow is known as the interconnection of food chain, and this arrow is also known as the energy transfer from one animal to another animal. So students, I just hope you will be understand very well food chain. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.